Snack questions are one of the most common questions we get, so in this edition of Cart to Kitchen, I have some snacking tips for you. It's important to know that snacks can be a great way to keep your body and mind fueled properly, and also a way to increase the amount of nutrients you get in a day. So here are my 5 tips. Number 1, plan ahead. Think of snacks as mini meals and give them the planning time you would a full meal. Having healthy snacks on hand and preparing them in advance will make healthy snacking seem effortless. Number 2, get the gear. Measuring cups, small containers, and snack-sized baggies will help with portion control. Plus, pre-packaging individual bags of whole grain crackers or cereal is a great activity for children to help them learn the concept of measuring while working on fine motor skills. Number 3, use the power of protein. Pair a protein with a carbohydrate at every snack. This will keep you satisfied until your next meal much longer than a snack that is solely carbs. Think hummus and veggies, peanut butter and fruit, Greek yogurt and berries. The pairing possibilities are endless. Number 4, try the seafood diet. Research shows foods that are easily accessible are more likely consumed. Use this to your advantage by keeping bowls of fruit or almonds out on your counter or desk, and keep the less healthy foods out of sight. And number 5, stay tuned in. Are you really hungry? Often we're bored or thirsty and wind up reaching for a snack anyway. Tune in and listen to what your body's saying. For these tips and snack ideas, head to fareway.com.